Hey besties, make this delicious, affordable toasted bread without a toaster with me. Yes, very affordable. This series is all about you cooking on budget. Yes, with any amount you have, you can use it to cook a delicious food that you will enjoy with your family or even alone. So these are my ingredients. The everything that I use is over 500 naira. So some people will be saying I don't have money, that is why I'm not eating good food. That is a lie. You can cook on budget. You can eat the same food all these big people are eating. Okay, don't limit yourself. Okay, so this is me whisking my eggs. I've sliced my tomatoes and not tomatoes, I didn't buy tomatoes, my fresh pepper and my onion. Then I'm seasoning it now with my Maggi cube and salt. Yeah, you can season it with any kind of Maggi cube you like. Then I'm mixing everything together. This is my bread. I don't really like this bread, but I'm removing the back. This is the only bread I could get. I bought this butter for 15 naira, so I'm putting my butter inside the bread now. So guys, I'm mixing everything. Yeah, you can see now it's time to fry my egg sauce. My egg sauce, you see the way I put the pepper and the onion. Now I've put in my egg. So I'm mixing everything together. Now it is ready to be eaten. I'm not joking. See, now it's ready to be toasted. Yeah. So now the bread is somehow. So don't use this bread though. It's very hard. Before I could do this thing. If I tell you how much time. So it's ready. So it's time to be eaten. So try this toasted bread without a toaster, and you're going to enjoy it. And it came out really nice. Forget the color. It was really tasty. Even my younger ones, they were just tripping. They say you have to make this type once again. Say no worry. So try this recipe.